Why have we scheduled this summit now and not, for example, in summer next year when we can all meet again in person? But I say no, because we need to talk about solutions now.
Taking away the fear from people. I think we have more and more digitalization coming.
Digitization creates a new dimension of complexity.
In our summit today, we will show you solutions how to do so.
Cost reduction almost without investments.
How energy efficiency in production supports the reduction of carbon emissions.
Also, if you look, for example, at the investment for qualifying the people.
I think there's a lot of movement in Asia already, and it is about to overtake us.
It's missing a clear strategic view.
We need to be faster.
Intelligent, human-centered, coming true soon.
Communication, involvement of employees and proper qualification.
I think coming to a digital world that is not proprietary, but allows everybody to participate and use the strength and the multitude and the diversity of the internet-based development. That's a foundation on which we can build the future then.